Hello students, in the previous lecture we were doing the quadratic equation, how to solve the quadratic equation by mid-term split method. Now there are some equations which cannot be solved by mid-term split method. For solving those equations we are having this quadratic formula or also known as Sridharacharya's rule. According to this we have first see this is the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. According to quadratic formula, the value of x is given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, two values of x will be having, one by taking the positive sign and second value by taking the negative sign. In this b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the given quadratic equation, which we'll be dealing with in the next exercise. In the second exercise, we'll be solving the quadratic equations by using this quadratic formula. Let's start the exercise 5b. Question number 1. You have to solve the given quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now when we compare it with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the value of a is given by 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. We are going to substitute these values in the formula. X is equal to minus b. It will be minus of minus 4. Take care, you need to take the proper sign. It is very important. So it is minus of minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. It will be minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a into c. So minus of minus will become plus 4 plus minus square root of this will be 16 minus 4 upon 2a. It is a is 1 here, so it will be 2 only. Now simplifying it, you will have x equals to 4 plus minus square root of 12 upon 2. And you know that square root of 12 can be written as 2 under root 3 upon 2. From the numerator we are taking 2 common. We are left with 2 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2 is there. This 2 will get cancelled. So we are getting the values of x as 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. So the solution set has these two values, right? Similarly, now see next question number 4. 4 minus 11x is equal to 3x square. First we are going to convert it in the standard form. It will be 3x square. 11x taken to that side will become positive and this will be minus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 11 and c is equal to minus 4. We are going to put it in the standard formula. X is equal to minus b, that is minus 11 plus minus square root of 11 whole square minus 4 into 3 into minus 4. Now we'll simplify it. It is minus 11 plus minus square root 121 plus 48 upon 6. This is square root of 169 and you know it is equal to 13. So we are getting x is equal to minus 11 plus minus 13 upon 6. Once we'll be taking the positive sign, it becomes 2 by 6 which is equal to 1 by 3. And then we are taking minus 11 minus 13 upon 6 which is minus 24 upon 6, that is minus 4. So the solution set has minus 4 and 1 by 3. Similarly, now see next question number 9. It is 2x square plus under root 7x minus 7 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to under root 7 and c is equal to minus 7. Substitute value in the standard formula. You will have x equals to minus b, that is minus under root 7 plus minus square root of b square is there. So it is what? Under root 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 7. So on simplification we are getting x is equal to minus root 7 plus minus square root of 7 plus 56 upon 4. So this is minus under root 7 plus minus root 63 upon 4. And under root 63 is 3 into 7. So 1 3 will be out. So this is minus root 7 plus minus 3 under root 7 upon 4. Now let's simplify. First I am taking the positive sign. It is minus under root 7 plus 3 root 7 by 4. So which is 2 root 7 by 4 and this gets cancelled. It is equal to under root 7 by 2. Now taking the negative sign, we will be having minus root 7, minus 3 root 7 upon 4. This is minus 4 root 7 upon 4. This 4 gets cancelled. It is equal to minus root 7. So the solution set is minus under root 7 and under root 7 upon 2. So these were the simple questions in which we are applying the quadratic formula. Next, we have one of the most important type of question from this chapter. In this, we have to solve for x and give answer up to 2 decimal places. These are also based on the same quadratic formula. The thing is, we have to give answer in the decimals also. I'll explain it with this example. X square minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. So again we will be comparing it with standard equation. A is equal to 1 here, B is equal to minus 10 and C is equal to 6. Now substituting value in the formula, you will have x is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 10 is plus 10 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So it is 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 24 upon 2, which is 10 plus minus root 76 upon 2, and this root 76 will be equal to 2 under root 19 upon 2. Now in the question they have asked to give answer to 2 decimal places. So next thing will be to find the square root of this 19, and we are going to find it with the help of long division method. I have calculated here the square root of 19. They ask you to give answer to 2 decimal places. So in that case, we'll be finding the value up to 3 decimal places and then we are going to round it off. Like in this case, under root 19 is equal to 4.358 up to 3 decimal places. When we are rounding it off, it will be 4.36. Now substitute this value of under root 19. It is 2 into 4.36. So this is 10 plus minus 8.72 upon 2. So once we take the positive sign, it will be 18.72 upon 2, which is 9.36, and when we are taking the negative sign, it is 10 minus 8.72 upon 2, that is 1.28 upon 2, which is 0.64. So the solution set is 9.36 and 0.64. We have calculated the 2 values of x up to 2 decimal places. Let's take another example. This is 3x square minus x minus 7 equal to 0. In this again we have to give answer up to 2 decimal places. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 7. Substituting value in the formula, you will have x is equal to minus of minus 1 plus minus square root is b square minus 4ac. So 4 into 3 into minus 7. Students, take care, you need to take the proper sign. If you miss the sign, the question will be wrong. Upon 2a, it will be 2 into 3. So this is 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 84 upon 6. 1 plus minus square root of 85 upon 6. Now square root of 85 I have calculated here. It is coming 9.219. I have calculated up to 3 decimal places and then I am going to round it off up to 2 decimal places. This thing is very important so that we get the exact answer. So it is 1 plus minus 9.22 upon 6, that is 10.22 by 6, and with the negative sign you will have minus 8.22 by 6. So one answer is coming 1.70 and second is minus 4.11. So the solution set is 1.70 and minus 4.11. So this is how we are going to calculate the values of x up to 2 decimal places. So you try this exercise 5B till the next video is uploaded. Thank you.